Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where I've just acquired this very rare, really good looking BMW 318D Sport. It's got the added extras of the body styling kit and the M Performance racing coloured stripes. The car drives absolutely superb. It's got privacy glass to the rear, gloss black alloy wheels, park distance control, rear spoiler, rear diffuser. You don't see many like this. Really has been kept in fantastic condition. Boot area is in lovely condition. Seats lovely with red stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors. Car's done 103,655 miles. It's got Bluetooth prep, park distance control, different driving style modes, iDrive, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. This does look a lot of car for the money. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.